Hey guys, it's me Ishan. So today I'll be doing a video of mathematics which I have never done before. So please you can watch this and like, subscribe, also share to many more people. And I'll be teaching you guys relations and functions. So the first thing about 1.5 is that you gotta remember these definitions. So the main definition of this class is that G dot F. So it looks like O or 0. Why do you call it dot? Because we call it dot. And if you want to expand it more, G dot F of x. And if you want to expand it even into more, it's G whole bracket F of x. That's how you do it. Now look out for F dot G. It was F dot G of x, which can be further expanded into F of whole bracket G of x. So these are the first two definitions you must clearly know for understanding this exercise clearly. So now let's go for the first sum. So guys, you gotta understand this because it make it really tricky. So the first question is that f of x is equal to x minus 6 and g of x is equal to x squared. So they're asking us to find g dot f is equal to f dot g. So first, what is the definition we learned for g dot f? So g dot f, g dot f of x. Okay, I'll try to put it like over the side. So it's g dot f. It's g dot f of x, which is g the whole bracket f of x. So g bracket f of x. So what's the value of f of x over here? It's g of x minus 6. So guys, remember here, you can also put a small bracket if you want. So now we have found this. Now look at g. So this is x. So we gotta substitute x over here. So x. So in g place, because the first letter is g over here. So g. So it's x squared. So this is x. So we gotta make it as a square. So it's just x squared minus 6. So this is g of x. Is it correct? Yes. X squared minus 6. So now let's go for f dot g. It's f dot g of x, f dot f whole bracket there. So now what is g of x? So it's x squared. X squared. Now if you look at f space over here, it's x minus 6. So this as x. So it's x squared. So since there's a whole x over here, we can take that x minus 6 the whole square. So what does this look like? A minus b the whole square, doesn't it? So you can expand this is x squared minus 12x x power 4 minus x power 12x2 minus 36. So these all look equal. So g dot f is not equal to f dot g. So guys, I'll just be doing, not the whole thing, but just one in each and every sum. Now let's go for second subdivision. They say that find the value of k if such that f of f dot g is equal to g dot f. So I'll do the second sum because it is kind of harder. So second sum, f of x is equal to 2x minus k, and g of x is equal to 4x plus. So okay, we just gotta do this all over once again. So we gotta find g dot f. So just expand it straight away. This is g of all f of x. So it will be g. What is f of x? 2. F of x is 2x minus k. So g's place is 4x plus 1. So 4x place is substitute this. So it's 2x minus k plus 5. So we have to multiply. So 4 times 2x is 8x minus 4k plus 5. Now g of f, f of g, f dot g. So f dot g is f whole bracket of g of x. So what is g of x? 4x plus 5. 4x plus 5. So if f place, it's 2 of 4x plus k. This is 4 of 4x plus 5 plus, so it's 8x plus 10. Is that how it comes? No way. So it's 4x plus 5, right? So f place f 2x, so it's 2 of 4x plus 5 minus, okay. Now it is g of x. F of x, g of x is there. Yep, so I did it correctly. F dot g. So it's 8x plus 10 minus 2k. Oh, it's just minus k, that's it. So because it's not in the bracket, so it's just minus k. Oh, I've been taking so long. So it is given that g dot f is equal to f dot g. So 8x minus 4k plus 5 is equal to 8x plus 10 minus k. So 8x will cancel. Now there's 4k plus 5 is equal to 10 minus k. So now this will go that side. So it's 10 minus 5. I think it's minus 2. Yeah, 5 minus 2. No. But first, we have to. So this as minus, we have to come over here. So it will be 5 minus 10 is equal to 4k minus k, so b minus 5 times is equal to 3k. 3k, right? It's 3k. So but if we reciprocal, go over there, so it will become k is equal to minus 5 by 3. Yes, this is the answer. So this one is kind of important. So f of x is equal to 2a minus 1 and g of x is equal to, it is x, it's not a. X, g of x is equal to x plus 1 by 2. They're telling us to show that f dot g is equal to g dot f is equal to x. So let's find that. First, g dot f, g dot f. So just straight away, g dot f of x. So f of x is 2x minus 1. So substitute by g, we'll get 2x minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So cancel these out and you'll get 2x by 2. 2 will cancel out, so this x. Then f dot g. F, so straight away f dot g of x will be f of, so this is a fraction, we'll put this type of bracket. So f(y) will take 2 of x, 2 of x plus 1 by 2 of minus 1. So it's f. So these two will cancel out and this one will cancel out. So be x. So it does this third sum. So f dot g dot f is equal to x. Hence proved. Let's do the sums quick. So fourth sum. F of x is equal to x square g of x is equal to x minus 2. So there are things to find. Find a. Asking us to find g dot f. So guys, they're telling us that find a. So let's substitute each and everything with a. So f of x is equal to 2x square minus 1. Just f of a is equal to a square minus 1. Just like g of x is equal to x minus 2. G of a is equal to a minus 2. Now this, let's find g dot f. G dot f. So this is g dot f for a brief moment. So g dot f is equal to just take these values, guys. So g of bracket f of x. So g, just substitute this f of x. So g dot a square minus 1. Yes, it is correct. A square minus 1. But it is said that in the question g dot f is equal to 1. So we'll put is equal to 1. So g over there. So it's a square minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 1. So what can I do? Square. If there's a minus over there, we're going to do some PEMDAS method. What is PEMDAS? Parenthesis, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So PEMDAS requires all of these to be presented over here. So there's subtraction, minus sign, addition, minus minus plus. So division, multiplication, you can just multiply over here, multiply. Exponents, it's an exponent. Parenthesis over here. So since everything is there, we can cancel out off such that a square as 1 plus 1 plus 2. So a square is equal to 4. So a of whole root 4. And so a is plus or minus 2. So the value of a is plus or minus 2. You can pause it guys if you want. So to find the range, alright, it's kind of easy. Fifth question. Only 4 more questions to go guys. F of x is equal to 2x plus 1. G of x is equal to x squared. So they asked us to find the range of f dot g and g dot f. It's simple. First find f dot g. F dot g, f of whole. So it's f, what is g? So just x squared. So f 2 of x squared plus 1. So this is the answer. So this is f plus 1. So range of f dot g is equal to, since there's x, there isn't y. So you just put is equal to, or use there isn't is equal to, is equal to 2x squared plus 1, which is n plus by belongs to natural numbers. So this is our g. Now g or f. So f of x is 2x plus 1. So g is substitute 2x plus 1 the whole square. So range of g dot f is equal to y of y is equal to y such that y 2x plus 1 of whole square is equal to n of 1. So this is the answer that was finally done. Now sixth sum. Let f of x is equal to x squared minus 1. Then find f dot f. So it's just simple. Just don't over exaggerate. So f dot f is equal to f dot f of x. So f is equal to x squared minus 1, and x square minus 1 minus 1. Oh, this is square. So this is square minus 1. So it will be x square minus 2. Will be next. Yes, there will be an x square over here. This will be cancelled. It will be x square minus 2x square. This will be the answer for this sum. And the next sum. So I'll just do another one of these guys so that it will make you easier to understand. So next is f dot f. Sharon, how the hell do we do this, you may ask me? Just very easy. Remember this. F is equal to f of that's it. So what's the answer we got? For first one, x square minus 2x square. So it's f of x square minus 1. F, so it's just x square minus 1 again. So it's just f of x square minus 2x2. So f, we can just substitute this again by f x square minus 2x square the whole square minus 1. Yes, this is the answer, guys. Very, very easy. Did I tell you that? Now let's go to seventh sum. So to find that, so they have given these. So here's seventh sum. F of x is equal to x5 and g of x is equal to x4, and find out if it's a one-to-one function or not. So first they have given that f of x is equal to x power 5, so f of x is equal to x power 5. This x1, 2. So if guys, all remember this. If you want to find something that's one-to-one function, always remember that the power is an odd number. If it's an odd number, it's a one-to-one function. If it's not, it's an not a one-to-one function. So it is, therefore it is one-to-one function. Now let us find. Okay, so now g of x is equal to x4. So g of x is x4, 1, x2, 4 is an even number. So it can be stated that x1 plus or minus x2, because both are square numbers. So square numbers are not equal. So you can just say that x1 is equal to plus x2, or x1 is equal to minus x2. So you can just say that r minus 2, what you can put here over here, 16. So just such as so. Since every element in domain does not have a unique image, it is not one-to-one. I mean, it is one-to-one. Now the next thing is that we gotta find what's the question of us and f dot g. So f dot g. So f dot g. Okay, so this is 1 to 1. It is not 1 to 1, so this is 1 1. Because both are here as well as both are here. It should be though, I don't know why.